Hi everyone. Now I will teach you Coulomb's law. According to according to Coulomb's law, the force of interaction between two point charges is directly proportional to product of the charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Between them. This means if two point charges Q1 and Q2 is situated at point A and B, which is separated by distance r. So according to this statement, force of interaction, this word interaction means attraction and repulsion both. You will know like charges repel and unlike charges attract with each other. Therefore, force of interaction, suppose F, between these charges Q1 and Q2 is directly proportional to product of the charges Q1 into Q2 and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. This implies that F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square, or there is a constant, suppose K, Q1 Q2 and by R square, where K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and magnitude of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9, or unit Newton into meter square, because you will know force is Newton, R is meter, then meter square, and this Q1 Q2 go to this side, therefore this is Coulomb square. So Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This factor epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space. What is permittivity? What is permittivity? Then permittivity is permittivity determines electrical force between two charges situated in two medium. This means permittivity of medium, suppose water, is K times permittivity of air or vacuum. This K is here water, permittivity water by permittivity air, and this K is called dielectric constant. This means we can say dielectric constant K is the ratio of permittivity of medium with respect to vacuum. Therefore, we can write this is medium for medium M and for vacuum naught. Epsilon M by epsilon naught is dielectric constant K. This K is different and this K is different. So this constant K is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, and this K is dielectric constant. So we can write another page like this. We know permittivity water is 80 times permittivity air or vacuum. If we convert in force, suppose we are discussing what is the force uh, in water. Suppose charges are situated in water and situated in air. Then if we compare, then force in water is 1 by 80 times force in air or vacuum. इस तरह से F water, force in water by force in air is 1 by 80. You see here, permittivity is K times permittivity vacuum, means permittivity water is 80 times permittivity air, and permittivity is inversely proportional to force. Therefore, force water is 1 by 80 times force in air. Now, one question I am giving you to solve. In next video lecture, I will discuss what is the vector form of Coulomb's law. I am giving one question to you. Try to solve this question. Question is, suppose one square is here of side A and suppose this capital and capital Q, this two charges at this corners, and this small q and small q is these two different charges at these corners. If capital Q is given plus √2 microcoulomb, then what is small q for resultant force is 0. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको दिया है, ट्राई टू सॉल्व कि what is small q if capital Q is given for net force of the system is 0. Thank you.